Okay, so I'm here working on a Fusion 1.5, working on the transmission here. So what I did on this one is I changed out the oil filter for this one. There's another video I have for it. So on this one also, I decided to change the seal that goes to the torque converter, which is this one right here. This is the part number, guys, from Ford. All right, so while you're at it, you might as well change it. It's very simple. You're gonna have this ring right here, okay, that goes in the groove, so it'll be in there, and it's very simple to pop out. Just it's got a little thing on there, this right here. Just wedge like a really small flathead screwdriver. I'm using a pick, and just kind of pick it out like so, okay, and it'll pop out and just go all around, and this thing will come out. Now to take this seal off, it's very simple. What I do is I grab some long nose pliers like this, some needle nose, and squeeze real tight, and then it just pops out. Then just go in reverse, new seal out, okay, loop this area, this outside area, and just put it in there. Okay, and just start pushing all around till it's completely down. Okay, then just go ahead and reinstall this ring right here. First start like this, get it in there in the groove. It's really hard to do with one hand, but it's not bad. It's not too hard to do. Just go in there, go all around until it snaps in there. Alrighty, so it's in there. It's very simple to do. If you have your transmission apart, or you're gonna switch it out or change the oil filter, might as well do that also. Okay, so make sure it's on there correctly. All right, and that's it, guys.